All right. Here is a 1976 Chevy Vega. It's got a 30 over 350, aluminum heads, tunnel ram, two 600 Holley CFMs. It's got a 12-bolt narrow 9-inch out of Chevelle rear in here with 538 gears, coilovers, and I guess here over the winter time I'll start doing the body work. Of course, I got parts laying everywhere for this thing. Got to get a hatch. I got another Vega that I'm gonna steal the hatch off of, and the doors, because the doors are in better shape on the other Vega. And a nice little rust hole I gotta fix. That whole rocker needs repaired. Well, that's all for now on this video. Well, if you don't mind, like the video, hit share, and I'll be bringing more videos as I go. Have a good one.